Are you excited for MIT?
Yeah, actually, I am excited, which is weird because I don't really get excited about things. I kind of expect disappointment.
Because then you'll never actually be disappointed.
It feels like